Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool place value chart. We are working with comparing and ordering, and we'll do it in 5 minutes or less. So we've got two different numbers here. We want to compare using greater than, less than, or equal to. So what I suggest is that we use a place value chart. And so we're going to build both of these numbers in this place value chart. You can either label them with the full names, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, or if that becomes a bit cumbersome, you can just use the letters O, T, H, T, H, and then PTH. Or sometimes you might want to use the actual values, 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, depending on whether or not you're using word form or expanded notation. But right now, this is going to work for us. So I want to build both of these numbers. So I'm going to go from left to right. First, I need to make sure I have enough spaces in my place value chart. Each of these numbers has 5 digits. I've got 5 spaces, so I'm good. So we're going to just go ahead and build it. 32,000. So that's 3 10,000s, 2,000s, 400s, 8 tens, 7 ones. Then we are going to build the second one. 32,000. That's 3 10,000s, 2,000s, 700s, 8 tens, and then 4 ones. All right, so one thing we should notice is that we've got a lot of the digits the same in the same spot. We actually have the same 5 digits, but we've got two of them that are kind of swapped, the 4 and the 7. When we are comparing two different numbers, we always start with farthest to the left, or the largest place value, and we look to see what's going on with my 10,000s. They're both 3, they're both equal, which means we cannot make a decision. We start with the biggest place value first, and then we move over to the right. So there's nothing that we could do with the 10,000s. Let's shift over to our thousands. They're both 2. All right. Those are the same. Can't do anything with them. We are going to shift over to our hundreds. We go from left to right, and now we can make a decision. 7 is greater than 4. So I've got 700s, and the first number's got 400s. It doesn't matter if the second number, the first number, take a look at what's left over here. 87 is bigger than 84, but it doesn't make any difference that 87 is bigger than 84 because this bottom number has 700s, and 700 is way bigger than 400. So once you get from left to right to a place value in which there are different digits, you can stop there. You don't have to evaluate anything else. My 700s is going to be greater than my 400s. So we're going to write our inequality symbol. We're going to make sure the opening goes to the larger number. The 7 is larger than the 4. And what we would do is we would read this from left to right. We would say 32,487 is less than, and I know this is less than because I can kind of turn that into a capital L that's rotated. The other direction is going to be greater than. 32,487 is less than 32,784. We can also use this place value chart to order numbers. And so let's put our 4 numbers here, 99,907. We're going to build these, and one thing that we need to keep in mind is that it makes a big difference whether we're going least to greatest or greatest to least. And so that's always going to be something you're looking for when you see this in a problem. Let's say for these ones, we're looking for least greatest. So I'm going to start with my largest place value. If any of those don't have anything in the 10,000s place, that would automatically be the smallest. Like a 0 or a blank in the 10,000s, it's going to be smaller than anything. But they all have something in the 10,000s place. That's going to be my smallest because that 2 is smaller than the 7, 8, or 9. So I can go ahead and put 28,643. I don't really need to look at the 8643. Doesn't matter. That 2 is smaller than anything. That 7 is going to be smaller than anything else. So I'm going to put 71,000. And I don't have to look at the 1 or anything else. Next, it's between an 8 or 9. Look, that 8 is smaller than the 9, so 82,346. So it actually becomes pretty simple here because none of these digits are the same. If they are the same, it would be like the other one in which we needed to go ahead and look at the next place value or the next place value. You're looking for the one that doesn't necessarily have the same digit as anything else. That's how you can make a difference. So that would be my list in order from least to greatest. If I wanted to go from greatest to least, that would be fine. What we could do is we could just take this list and we can just flip it upside down.